A quick walk around video of me COE hot rod that's potentially going up for sale. Fuel tank, panhard design, 8.8 axle with a nice big girdle on it. New rear shocks, air ride, nice braided lines, brand new 4-link setup, custom made prop going via 2 prop hoops. Obviously new battery, brand new air ride, loads of shit. Right, bear with me. Oh. Right, so alarms on, sorry, the battery's on. Obviously cab been restored. There is a battery cut off switch, just bear with the video because it's going to go a bit weird. Well, go and reach the switch. Actually first, it's got a Cat 1 alarm, so obviously I need these, or the alarm's going to go fucking crazy. Right, so it's turned on. Just make sure the alarm's off, which it is. That's the air ride. So as you can see, the gauges all working. Got indicators, overweight. We've got wipers, 2-speed, first speed, second speed, and then South Park. Done. Trying to think what else I've got at the minute. I've got washer jets in, which I can't remember which one that is. As you can see, they need lining up, but the water's out. So yeah, there's a nice custom panel to go on there. Pinstripe by Von Hot Rod from the States. There's a section down there where this heater's going to sit. So heater's under there, and obviously vents up to here, both sides. Pedal box, brand new, obviously bias pedal box to do adjusting front and rear. Got electric seats, as you can see. Air ride, you can hear it. I've not got that gauge connected, so let me just bear with me. There we go, so the 2 gauges. Probably can see by the gauge. All the air rides working, and to drop it out. So that's that. We've also got headlights. Now the headlights aren't on. However, the trick thing with the marker lights is they are headlights. So as well, they work with the headlights. So you'll see that they're on, and then with the way I've done the relay setup, we keep the marker lights on and obviously indicating different directions. And headlights back off. I'm going to turn the pump off because it's doing me head in. So yeah, that's that. 22s, slammed on air ride, tubbed. This panel removes out, that panel on that side removes out, and then this can be removed to get to the engine. There's a steering column made for this section here. It's already made, just needs painting and putting in. That connects to a power steering jag rack, which is kind of under there. You're not probably going to be able to see because of the light. Obviously everything's brand new again. Tyres, that's just fuck all room in this garage. OM606 super turbo diesel, brand new whole set HX35 sorry. Dieselmeken pump, which that's the spec of the pump. 7.5mm elements, believed to be between 350 and 400 horsepower standard. Obviously stuff like that is rolling roaded, so I never quite exact figures. Sorry, just dropped my phone. And then yeah, that's kind of where the truck will sit on the floor, so it's pretty fucking decked. Obviously the panels need to go on, but that's it. There's not a massive amount. It starts off the key, as you'll see in another video. I'm not going to do it yet because I've just got to plumb up the power steering to the brand new rack, and obviously I don't want to run the power steering pump dry, so I'm not going to run it in this video, but I'll link a video to it. And then obviously custom front suspension, all Jag stuff, everything's brand new, even down to the brake 4 pots, discs, everything. So yeah, that's how she is. Pretty fucking cool. But it's only potentially going up for sale because of the house. Obviously we've got our house up for sale. We're not sure we're going to be able to take it with us.